Hey everyone, welcome to Max DIY. I'm going to be walking you through how I colored my Sombra wig and made the ombre effect she has. You're going to need Sharpies, rubbing alcohol, Q-tips, a comb, alligator clips, and gloves. First you're going to comb the wig. We're going to section by wefts, that way we don't miss any strands. I'm going to take a black Sharpie and start coloring the hair near the scalp. Then I'm going to use rubbing alcohol on a Q-tip and blend out any harsh lines. I'm going to flip over the weft so I can get the back side. Next, I'm taking a purple Sharpie to get that gradient look. If you can see, I'm making the coloring uneven, and this way it blends out more naturally instead of creating harsh lines. Now I'm taking a pink Sharpie to transition between purple and white. I take each color over the previous color and blend them together. Then I brush out the colors to soften out the edges. Section off the next weft and clip the rest of the hair back, and then I color just like before. I rinse the wig with cold water and let it air dry a little bit upside down to make sure that the dark colors don't run into the lighter ones. While it was still damp, I dried it with my hairdryer and a round brush to create the end curl. I teased the top with got2b hairspray and a teasing comb. Then I froze it in place with more hairspray, and there you go, my Sombra wig. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.